Namaskaram. In today's Agni initiative, we'll look at how to create a certain conducive atmosphere for eating food. So, for those of you who have been to the Isha Yoga Center, you must have noticed that how they serve the food and how people consume food. So, sitting in a cross-leg posture, or if you know Ardha Siddhasana, you can sit in Ardha Siddhasana, and sitting on the floor and eating the food silently with your bare hands, it makes a big difference in the way the food behaves within the system. So, one thing which you can also do is that you can say an invocation before consuming the food. You must have noticed, your parents or grandparents, if they are still maintaining the same traditions, usually before they have food, they'll bow down to the food, or they'll say a few mantras or something, and then they'll consume food, because this awareness was there that how you treat the food makes a big difference in the way the food behaves within the system. So it's important that you consume food in the right way. So if you have been doing many things at a time while consuming food, if you have been watching television, speaking on the mobile, or speaking with a friend and then eating, so see if you can try this, where when you are eating, you are fully conscious and just doing that, so that you can be conscious of each mouthful which you are eating, and you can at least chew it 24 times, each mouthful of food. So try sitting on the floor, sitting in a cross-leg posture, say an invocation, try to eat with your bare hands, and eat silently and with a certain reverence and gratitude towards food. It will make a big difference in terms of your health and well-being. Please experiment with this and let us know how your experience has been. Sahana bhavatu, sahana bhunatu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvinavaditamastu, ma vedvishavahai. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaskaram. For those of you looking to explore about food in depth, we also have an online program on food called as Aahar. So we have a website called as aahar.yogi.com, which will have more details about this program. If you are looking to grow on the path of yoga, then food is as important as sadhana. So it's very important that you see what kinds of foods to eat which can assist you in this inner journey, and more importantly also how to eat. So we'll be looking at this in depth in this online program, and this can be done from the comfort of your home. From wherever you are, you can log in and do this program. So if you wish to explore this in depth, please log into our Aahar website, and you can see if this is something which can help you take a step towards your inner growth. And we hope that the simple process of eating can also become a stepping stone towards your ultimate well-being. Thank you so much.